You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this French term, this French phrase that is used particularly in ballet dancing. This is also a French word meaning elevated or to elevate, pronounced as élevé. That's the French pronunciation. The acute accents form the E sound. Élevé. The middle E doesn't have an accent, so it's not E, it's E. Élevé. Élevé. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is usually as élevé. Alright, it's not élève, or it's élevé. Élevé. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.